Tutorial: How to upload media via Google Drive Uploader. Introduction. Welcome to Wetspace Tutorials. I am Ali Ray, the CEO of Wetspace, and today I will explain how to upload media via Google Drive Uploader. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can upload your media through Google Drive step by step. Upload media via Google Drive Uploader. To upload media, open the Media tab. Now we have two options here. One is to upload from the Google Drive. When you select that, it will take you to the Google sign-in page. Log into your account. Once you've logged in, it'll show you all the videos and photos in your drive. You can upload them with one simple click. The other option is the automatic uploader. Creators don't have to manually add a thumbnail or teaser anymore. Once you click on the combined file, the thumbnail, teaser, and the actual video will be added automatically. Make sure the thumbnail, teaser, and the actual video are saved with the same nail, as that is how the system will detect your files. Make a folder with separate subfolders for the thumbnail and teasers within it. Click on Options next to the Google Drive folder in Media and sign into your Google account. Next, allow Wetspace to access your Google account. Once that is done, it will open up all the folders you have on Google Drive. Upload the thumbnail to its respective folder first, and then the teaser after that. Next, upload the main video to the main folder directly. Sync the folders in the same order and click on Done. Then, just refresh the page. Your media will now show on Wetspace. If you click on the Edit Media Details, you will see it'll have the thumbnail and teaser assigned to it. Now, when you create a post or pay-per-view using this media, you don't need to add the thumbnail and teaser separately. Google Bulk Uploader. Next is the Google Bulk Uploader. Click on Google Drive folder and add a new folder. Sync the Google Drive Bulk Upload folder and refresh the page. All your media in the folder will appear on your Wetspace. As you keep adding content to this particular folder, the newly added content will keep automatically uploading to your Wetspace profile. You just have to refresh the page. However, in order to remove the media, you need to manually remove the file from Wetspace, as simply deleting the media from your drive will not automatically delete it from Wetspace. And that's about it. So keep checking this space for more tutorials on Wetspace features. Wetspace, slippery when wet.